You mean disrespect? I said, of course I do. But my all-time favorite has been Mr. Salman Khan, our host. As close to being gay, मतलब मेरे wallet में भी photo होती थी एक सलमान खान की. That's the last time I took a good shower. Kapil Dev बोलते हैं, once you taste success, the tongue wants more.
Are you on Khatro Ke Khiladi?
I did too, yeah.
Your friendship with Chum as well. I think it really shows that too.
She also has a past. I have a past.
Welcome to the show.
I just feel that I've made it. I'm on route with me. Wow! Do we have some claps? डाल दोगे ना तुम?
Hi from Root. This is Mehul and welcome to The Other Side. Today we're bringing you many sides. But first, a personal side to somebody whose personal life has been out there from a very long time. Not just with Bigg Boss, but Karan. Firstly, welcome to the show.
I just feel that I've made it. I'm on route with me. Wow! Do we have some claps? डाल दोगे ना तुम? और ये बहुत stupid लगेगा ना अगर पहन के ही रखूँ मैं सारा उसको लगेगा कि मैं Sunday I was. Let me just take it off.
Yes.
है ना?
I'm good with both. Comment कर दो यार आपको कैसा चाहिए.
हाँ comment कर दो क्या करूँ पहने रखूँ कि बता दूँ. I'm just shy. I'm sitting next to Mehul तो मैं ऐसे करके दिखेगा नहीं ना आँखों में दिखने लग जाएगा अब. चलो let me be with honest eyes.
बताइए आपकी लाइफ कैसी है पोस्ट बिग बॉस.
बहुत मज़ेदार. आई एम स्टिल इन अ लिम्बो यू नो. आई एम neither in nor out. I'm still in between. I've still not reached my home. I'm out of Bigg Boss house and in between these interviews. And I'm so glad I've reached here.
I can totally imagine. It might be a very vast difference in also your routine because Bigg Boss में तो आपका एक routine follow होता था.
जी.
जब गाना बजता था आपको उठना पड़ता था और सोना पड़ता था जब सोना पड़ता था.
But the good part is कि मैं गाना बजने से पहले ही उठ जाता था. और सोने.
Yes, we know.
हाँ, है ना?
Making those egg recipes.
Making the eggs and talking to people and you know all आज Monday है जैसे all my blues. Everyday blues I used to discuss with Bigg Boss and the audience. तो उठने का ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं था लेकिन सोने का पहले ही हो जाता था मेरा. Before the lights go off I was almost because I used to I think get up. अब लोग बता रहे हैं सुबह के 4:30-5 बजे उठ जाता था मैं. आपको
नहीं पता था टाइम का कंस्ट्रक्ट वहाँ पे.
we don't मतलब Bigg Boss का घर ऐसा है कि
no time. But there might be time clock somewhere at least. No.
Nothing. We own the time. ऐसा था.
That's quite scary to think about it.
Actually तो देखा जाए so I've learned this that I'm not time bound.
Okay.
Now.
What does that mean?
I sleep when I'm sleepy.
Okay.
I eat when I'm hungry.
Okay.
I'm working out till the time I'm working out. So I've learned that from Bigg Boss house that I will not time bound myself for breakfast, for lunch, for if I'm hungry I'll do that. I love working so I'll work for as many hours as the producer wants me or till the time I'm satisfied. तो मैं वो time bound जो चीज़ थी ना वो हट गई है मेरे अंदर से कि हाँ अरे 12 घंटे की शिफ्ट है ये है वो है. Having said that we are here for 1 hour because there are certain things right now.
But I was coming to that. Don't you think that's an unhealthy way of living?
नहीं यार I don't think so.
आपके खुद के mental और physical state के लिए?
नहीं because I don't think happiness lies with the fact that you know the clock हमने भी बनाई है ना घड़ी.
Very true.
So हम ही कर सकते हैं उसको. एक मैंने clock देखी है which has the numbers here and there. और उसके second half में लिखा है who cares. So I'm exactly following that time clock now. I sleep whenever I have to. And luckily the time you know the body clock is same कि मैं उठ रहा हूँ जल्दी. I'm working out the same number of hours that I used to there. And I'm getting a lot of time for myself and you know visiting people and trying to hunt for more work.
We're going to come to that, but let's take the time clock all the way back.
जब पैदा हुआ था मैं.
हाँ जी.
अच्छा.
जब आप पैदा हुए थे ना मेरे पास एक क्यूट सी फोटो है. आई थिंक दिस इज योर मम्मा, योर सिस्टर एंड योरसेल्फ इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग.
वाओ, वेयर डिड यू गेट दैट? नोबडी हैज दैट.
थोड़े और सरप्राइजेस है अभी बात.
व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? दैट इज सो कूल गाइस. ओके यू विल पुट इट अप आई एम श्योर बट आई हैव नेवर ये हाँ बहुत पहले की पिक्चर. आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर.
लेट्स ट्राई एंड टेक यू टू द माइंडसेट ऑफ ये वाला करणवीर. कैसा लगता था कि था कोई आइडिया कि व्हेन आई एम क्लोज टू 40 दिस इज वेयर आई विल बी?
नहीं यार बड़ा ही क्यूट बच्चा है ये तो. एंड आई होप आई एम एज क्यूट नाउ ऑल्सो. व्हाट डू यू से? बट आई डोंट रिमेंबर एनी ऑफ दिस एक्चुअली. कब फोटो ली गई है क्या है आई डोंट रिमेंबर एट ऑल.
You're wearing a cute what looks like a cowboy hat.
Kind of, yeah. This is my
birthday. It looks like a birthday party because there are balloons.
Yeah, so this has to be my father. My father was a big Bollywood buff. एंड आई रिमेंबर हर मेरे बर्थडे पे कोई ना कोई अमिताभ बच्चन का गेटअप मुझे दिया जाता था. सो दिस कुड हैव बीन द शर्ट फ्रॉम लावारिस द मूवी. He must
What?
have, yeah. And I remember one birthday he got me वो जो शहनशाह की sleeve थी. I was wearing that. So I've been, brought up by for how many ever years I had dad. So every year कुछ ना कुछ Bollywood theme थी मेरी birthday की. It was his party. Birthday मेरा होता था. So I remember.
He was living vicariously through you.
Totally.
And then mum filled the gap?
Mom, yeah, of course. Mom, after dad passing, mom became like 80% dad. And my grandmothers, both maternal and paternal, became the mothers. My sister kind of switched between an elder brother, younger sister, friend. She was the bridge between generations. And she understand. He needs his time. Acha nahi. Karan, come back. So she was that factor.
So a lot of effeminate energy around you while growing up as well.
Totally.
How did that affect your friendships? With the male gender specifically, क्योंकि आपको इतना मेल इन्फ्लुएंस मिला नहीं होगा लाइफ में.
यार कुछ ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं. Made friends as I grew up and friends were all for keeps. ऐसा कोई नहीं था कि. And I was still am, I believe that I'm a live wire, so people like to be around. And friends जो बचपन के थे अभी भी हैं वैसे ही. And yeah, all school friends and all, we are all connected. And जो नहीं भी connected हैं, they're getting connected now because of Bigg Boss, thankfully. And I'm hoping that I'll keep doing good work.
What is in the plans for you this year?
Lot of things. I'm पहले कह रहा हूँ ना, जैसे गधे की तरह मेहनत हो रही थी, अब घोड़े की तरह कर रहा हूँ. So I'm hoping and trying to hit the right targets, and not really smart, but now that I've been given a platform, I'm making sure I hop, skip and jump. I give the audience something more than I've already given them. हालांकि I must say कि I'm thankful कि सारे producers, actor तो मुझे अच्छा मानते ही थे. I've been given opportunities after opportunities पहले काफ़ी. So now I'm hoping I just capitalize on it. And अच्छी बात ये है इंडस्ट्री की और ऑडियंस की कि कुछ भी ऐसा वैसा काम किया हो तो फटाफट भूल जाते हैं, अच्छा काम याद रखते हैं. सो आई एम होपिंग टू डू गुड वर्क अगेन फॉर देम.
I can imagine you've had a really good trajectory in terms of daily soaps तो.
जी.
आपने बहुत सारे daily soaps किए हैं.
बहुत सारे डेली सोप्स किए हैं मैंने, बहुत सारे प्लेस किए हैं. आई हैव डन अबाउट 75 एड फिल्म्स. आई हैव डन द फर्स्ट.
You started with ad films?
I started with
How did they pick you up?
I just went on one of the auditions and the first ad film that I had gone for, so 5 friends जो हम होते थे, हम सारी जगह जाते ही थे. Like I remember once going for 32 auditions in a day.
In a day?
In a day, yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah, in a
At
day.
that time?
At that time.
How did you travel in a day?
एक तो 10-15 तो एक ही जगह पे होते थे. In different आराम नगर, है ना, अधीरी ये सब. तो I remember going for 32 and getting rejected by all of them almost. So मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि going for auditions was work. Getting work was like an award. और अब तो award मिल रहे हैं तो it's very surreal that way. But yeah, so वो time मज़े थे that you just go there and give your whatever you feel about the character and about that page. तो वही मज़ा था. But your job is just to go and perform to your capacity in your fullest. तो वो मैं कब से ही करता आ रहा हूँ unknowingly. Now that I know it, I'm doing it all the more.
How did you keep that motivation to keep on doing that decade after decade? It's not that you're really new. You've sustained yourself as well.
Yeah, being resilient comes from my sports background. Yeah.
क्या खेलते थे आप?
मैं क्रिकेट बहुत खेलता था. आई वाज एडमिशन स्कूल और कॉलेज की क्रिकेट पे हुई है. आई वाज विद मोहिंदर अमरनाथ अकेडमी. उस टाइम पे अनलकीली ऐसे लीग्स नहीं थे, IPL नहीं था. सो आई रियली switched to a different medium, got into dramatics and performing arts and all that. Because मेरी दादी ने बोल दिया था, अरे काला हो रहा है तो काला हो जाएगा तो लड़की कैसे मिलेगी. उनको क्या पता था कि but yeah, that was one of the major switches. But having said that, sports is something that kept me going. You keep bouncing back. And I think middle class upbringing, you have to earn a living. So you have to, I was passionate about this and this is my profession, I had to keep knocking doors.
आपका पहला प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा वाला था?
Remix.
छोटे से छोटा. Remix was your first?
जी, Remix was my first, and I was picked up from Delhi. I couldn't have come to Bombay and struggled and did not have the means and could not really tell my family कि मैं जा
Pretty cool show, ahead of its time though.
Kind of, yeah. Really fun and
One
really,
of those MTV cool hip shows.
Kind of, yeah. And मेरे को 3 महीने का कुछ मिला था part in it, and
Yeah,
which got
you did.
extended to 6 months. And then the channel liked me and they offered me a new show all by myself, and then करते snowballed, and now here I am at Brute.
Here you are after being a winner of Big Boss, and Big Boss is a movement in India.
It's an emotion, yeah.
How has your life changed in terms of love from people from before and after?
Yeah, that's a very good question, because the kind of love that I'm getting now is something that I would have never imagined.
Yeah.
Because I get hugs from, you know, people and aunties. They hug me and they kiss me on the forehead. उनको ऐसा लग रहा है उनके घर का कोई बेटा, कोई भाई, कोई बॉयफ्रेंड, कोई हस्बैंड जीत गया, ऐसा करके they hold me tight and you know they shiver, and I don't know how to respond to that, because what I'm doing is spending as much time with whoever I'm meeting, and if they've if they have somebody who also like me, I tell them to video call them, and if I can
हाँ, मैंने
say
देखा तुम्हारा live.
so I
You
keep
went live with a bunch of fans recently.
no, that's live on my Insta, but I do a video call when I meet people on the road, and they tell me that my sister or my brother, or I said, can you call them and can I thank them personally? That's what I'm doing, and that's the only way I can give it back. I really don't know how to tell them, no, I'm busy later, ये वो मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. And I'm so glad that this thing has come to me now. Had it come to me a little earlier, तो शायद I wouldn't have really appreciated it, or I wouldn't have really known how to handle it, because every phase is transient, and 100%. This is also. So I'm making the most of it, and I'm making sure that I get a smile on every person I'm meeting.
You were in the movies also. How different was set life than everyday daily soap set life?
Nothing much in terms of preparation. तो कुछ नहीं है यार. In terms of medium, you have like in theater, in ads, everything is director based. It's actually very funny, because theater, which is an actor's medium, when you just be on stage and the actor is the whole and soul, is known more by the director. अरे play किसने direct किया है? अच्छा. You don't know the actor they don't even ask. And cinema, which is a director's medium, is more known by the actor. अरे किसकी फिल्म है? अरे कौन है? Because the director is a whole and soul. You do whatever, he'll just put a chop there and your part is gone. Yeah. So I'm glad I could dabble over everything and know every kind of medium. I've done the first web series of India, which is It's Not That Simple, with Swara Bhaskar.
Yeah.
And Akshay Oberoi, and I did the season 2 also for it. I was in Sacred Games 2 with Anurag Kashyap. So
you have been a part of big movies as well.
Yeah,
Ragini MMS.
Ragini MMS 2 with Sunny.
2, yeah.
And and Big. That's the last time I took a good shower, by the way. Anyways. And,
that's the energy, yeah. We got to play on that. Yeah.
Then for Yashraj, I did that film, Mere Dad Ki Maruti. With Ram and Saqib and Riya. So had a lot of fun.
What do you prefer?
What do I prefer? I prefer the love coming my way from wherever. I prefer good work. I prefer good stories. Medium is not my...
You're not a picky...
Not at all. I've done street plays, which I've really enjoyed. So I have never segregated my audience. कि अच्छा ये फिल्म के लिए, ये इसके लिए, ये 1000 रुपये दे के आएंगे अंदर, ये मुझे टीवी पे देखेंगे. If I have given a piece, I need to perform. That's it. I need to be there, and I have to be doing something. So the auditions that I told you about, it was all coming from the fact that I had to do.
Yeah.
There are two kind of people. One who think and then do, and then there are people who do and then think. So I'm the latter one. I will do it, and then I think, oh, ये सब हो गया है. अच्छा.
Has that turned badly for you sometime?
Not exactly. No. I've always I might have regretted कि अरे ये क्यों वैसा क्यों, but nothing has turned out badly. Here I am with Mehul on route, so I'm good.
But you're also into fitness.
Gee.
How does that play an important role in your life?
That's become part of life now. It's not that I have to, मतलब मैं वो वाला नहीं हूँ कि जिम जाना है, अच्छा ये करना है. That's how you get up, you brush your teeth, you wash your hair, you take
It's
a
a part
shower.
of your routine.
It's part of my routine. It's inculcated in my lifestyle. It's not that it's something. मैं देख रहा होता हूँ ना लोगों को जिम से निकलते हुए कि ओह हो गया आज का, वैसा नहीं होता मेरा. आई एम एक्साइटेड व्हेन आई गो इन, आई एम almost dead when I'm walking out, but it's fun to be.
Yeah, I know the Big Boss audience also used to know you for you had your workout time.
Yeah.
You finished your entire training, and you had quite a lot of power in all of the games as well, all of the activities and everything.
Gee. In fact, I got yelled and scolded for spending too much time in the gym, and then later I was appreciated for it. Soch lo. But yeah, fitness, yeah, I've always urged also people watching me, and I'm so glad so many people got inspired by this, that they started working out after seeing me work out because there was a 24-hour feed.
Correct.
So a lot of people who were watching the 24-hour feed felt, अरे ये भी कर रहा है, चलो हम भी कर लेते हैं जब तक.
Yeah.
So I'm happy that I could inspire a few people, but my all-time favorite has been Mr. Salman Khan, our host.
अरे.
तो उन्होंने तो सबको ही सिखा दिया है. So he's been my inspiration. And I'm so glad I was at Farah ma'am's podcast on her
What do you
channel.
guys cook?
I gave her fried eggs जो मैं बनाता हूँ, and she was courteous enough to tell me that I work out more than Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. Excited हो गया था मैं सब सुन के. But yeah, everybody should have like a minimum of 40 minutes rigorous workout for a good healthy lifestyle. I would urge you and your viewers also to do that.
आपको मैं आपका वर्कआउट रूटीन पूछूंगी, बट फिजिकल फिटनेस के साथ साथ आप मेंटल फिटनेस का भी ध्यान रखते हो?
नहीं यार, मेंटल फिटनेस के लिए मैं दिल्ली वाला हूँ, तो वो it's come within my upbringing and my hostel life and my NCC. तो luckily that did not really bother me much. Touch wood. I've been mentally available and very very strong that way. People have tried to break me a lot of times. तो मैं ज़िंदगी में बहुत बिग बॉस खेलता हुआ आ रहा हूँ, so Big Boss didn't really matter to me.
That's how you
जब
want.
105 दिन खत्म हुआ, मैंने कहा हो गया, अभी let's go for another 105.
बाप रे, 105 दिन. I can't imagine being disassociated with my current life. How was that in the beginning? At least I'm sure it would have been a tormenting process आपके लिए.
In the beginning, I was a bit lost because I think fighting for a meal and fighting for an egg and fighting for something which is very stupid. तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं क्या करूँ मैं इस चीज़ के लिए. Why do I fight for this? And somebody is not giving me food. Okay, don't. And I'll get. मेरे लिए मेरी इज्जत बहुत important है. I'm not going to go stoop down to the level कि please दे. हाँ, तो वो तो होता ही है ना फिर कि. And then a friend of mine, Sandeep, he's been a big producer. He was sent to tell me कि भाई कोई आर्मी नहीं आने वाली यहाँ पे तेरे को to take out. They're not going to be guns blazing for you to fight. These are the topics. और इस पे देखो अपना point of view रखना है.
उससे पहले
हाँ, उससे पहले मैं अपने one-liners इधर उधर मार के जा रहा था, which people weren't understanding that they were derogatory. So I had to explain those one-liners, and then people fought. अरे you mean disrespect? I said, of course I do. That's when the fights and the altercations began. So that's how I kind of build the whole relationships. That I mean disrespect. Yeah, I do.
Then how did you build your space for you to last so long, for you to have such supporters, such good friends came out of that show with you as well?
Actually.
For you.
I don't know, yaar. People have been telling me that I played the game really well, but I actually never played anything. I was just being. This is the way I am.
You were just yourself.
Yeah. So I was just being, and I did not really plan my way up, or I did not really plan my way on the day. I was like, okay, this is the day, and this is how I react to whatever Mehul asks me right now, I'll reply. But it wasn't कि this has to be the best podcast ever, bro. नहीं, कभी नहीं सोचा ऐसा मैंने कि this is, but I always had an eye towards the trophy. I was like, yeah, I need to win it because I already won. मैं बोला ना, Kapil Dev बोलते हैं, once you taste success, the tongue wants more.
Are you on खतरों के खिलाड़ी?
I did too, yeah, just like a month before.
Exactly.
So that's how actually I also got attracted to.
I think you were in the spirit of it all, right?
Kind of, yeah. So in the flow मैंने बोल भी दिया, चलो करते हैं ये वाला भी.
How far apart were the shoots?
A month.
Oh.
A month, yeah.
You didn't even get time to reset?
Not really. but
So doesn't that affect your mental space?
नहीं यार, द 80s किड्स आई डोंट थिंक वी वर, हमें तो वो जो मारा जाता है ना स्कूल में, हम वो वाले हैं, बड़े थिक स्किन्ड, ढीठ, नहीं करना, ये सब नहीं होना, एंड देन ओके सॉरी उसके 10 मिनट बाद वही चीज़ कर रहे होंगे हम. सो आई रियली डिडंट केयर अबाउट. आई होप मेरी जैसी ढीठ स्किन सबके पास हो एंड दे बिकम स्ट्रॉन्गर. जस्ट बिलीव इन what you want to do. I think that's my mental space. तो अब जो चीज़ें मेरे को बोला जाता था ना, घर वाले भी बोलते थे इतना वर्कआउट मत करिए, they all, my mother also quiet, do what you want. तो मेरे लिए वो भी नहीं एक अलग से.
I can imagine. ये वाले करणवीर को क्या बोलो?
अरे yeah, this is, my sister and me were both at loggerheads because I'm a big Salman Khan fan and she's a big Shah Rukh Khan fan, and now we both love both the people. But
How old were you here?
This I must be 15, 16.
मैं देख रही हूँ पीछे
सलमान खान का कोलाज है. कोलाज, हाँ.
बहुत सारी posters हैं. Oh, it's only Salman.
Only Salman Khan. I'm a big full on मतलब as close to being gay. मतलब मेरे वॉलेट में भी फोटो होती थी एक सलमान खान की. And my school desk had a collage of him. And then और कहाँ वो, I think मैं पूरा उतना था जितना उनका आम है. But I used to wear those Joe boxers, shorts and loose jeans and प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, to do all that. And she was a big Shah Rukh Khan fan. तो उसकी side of the wall was Shah Rukh Khan के posters and this is me.
How was your relationship with your sister growing up? You said that she used to be your sister, brother, supporting you in everything.
Yeah.
But I'm sure that I'm a sister as well. So siblings have that unspoken bond wherein no matter how much you fight, they're always going to be there. So was there ever a time in your life where you were, really just fed up of everything in life and she brought you up?
No, but now that we are at this podcast and she would be watching, I have to tell her that, she was the best kid that जो हमने उठाई थी मंदिर से. I'm thankful to my parents ki, Kamsin, we chose you and among so many kids. So that's what sisters are like, na? For the longest
like
time,
a true brother.
For the longest time she believed मेरे को बचपन से उठाया गया, मेरे को मंदिर से उठाया गया.
आप बोलते थे ना बचपन में.
Of course. So
trauma दे दिया आपने.
But she and my mother are so pretty and everybody was like कि ये कहाँ से आया. तो मेरे को बोलना पड़ रहा है कि मैंने मम्मी और बहन दोनों उठाई है मंदिर से.
नहीं, because मैंने आपकी ट्रॉफी फोटो देखी थी.
जी.
आपकी बहन, आपका मम्मा और आप बीच में थे.
जी.
And spectacular family.
जी.
अब कैसा लगता है बचपन से लेके अब तक? How proud is your mama?
She's been both my actually my all. I have never had less of female attention. My full entire family, my grandmothers, my bua, my mom, my sister, they've been my biggest fans and they've been my biggest cheerleaders. And if you ask me how I kept my mental health, and so now if I think back, it's because of them. Because whenever I've not done something or not done something well, they've cheered me up, like, there's this thing also, अरे तू एकदम धोनी, एकदम शाहरुख, एकदम कोहली, ऐसा बोलते भी हैं वो.
Yeah.
So it's their love, I think, which has kept me going and made me believe in me.
It's really true because ऐसे कहते हैं कि females are emotionally driven and they think emotionally as well.
जी. I have a very logical reason for that.
बताइए.
Because if you go some years back, and some years I mean thousands of years back,
हाँ जी.
so females were giving birth to children, taking care of them, making soup, picking up flowers, singing songs, while men were fighting with men. For some men, they didn't even know. So emotionally, you guys are thousands of years ahead of us. So we have to do a lot of catching up now. So that's why I believe women are emotionally more inclined and they understand life better.
What are the feminine traits that you have that you've kept on from your masis and Didi and Mama?
I think they're all very strong women. So they've had a lot of man energies in them. So I've inculcated that from them. And feminine energy, I think I like to be clean. I'm a cleanliness freak. I'm
OCD?
Partly, yeah.
Borderline.
मतलब हाँ, borderline. Not इतना कि OCD को CDO बोलूँ alphabetically. इतना नहीं हूँ, लेकिन हाँ, partly OCD, partly being with the tribe types. Once you stick with the people. That's what also was shown in the Big Boss house.
Yeah.
As they say, when to be with the wolves, you got to howl like the wolves. So, yeah, we are a pack. So that's a very feminine energy, I feel. और क्या होती हैं female energies? काफ़ी सारी हैं मेरे अंदर, I believe.
Your friendship with Chum as well. I think it really shows that too.
Ji. She's a very strong girl and a very, very good friend to have. And somebody who really resonated the upbringing. Because I was in a hostel, jahan pe, of course, we had a lot of Northeastern friends. And I remember the first fight that she had with someone was of a racist remark. And I remember that happening in school, and I remember taking a stand for my friend. So exactly same thing was happening. And the other person was also a good friend of mine, so I was trying to tell him ki this is not the way you should do it. So but luckily, yeah, I got closer to Chum, and we are still friends. In fact, she just called. She was in Pasighat doing all the rounds. Yeah.
Movies में क्या plan है? कोई auditions दे रहे हो?
बहुत सारे. I'm still going and standing in front of the camera and saying, hi, my name is Karan. I've done a bit of work. These are my profiles. And some people are finding it funny, but ऐसा ही है भाई. Struggle हमेशा नीचे से start करोगे उतना ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा ऊपर जाने में. So I'm very happy to meet all the casting directors, producers, filmmakers, directors, and started from as if I've done nothing and I know nothing. See my audition, see what I can do, and judge me on that.
But still, after Big Boss, some gates opened?
A lot of them. Arre bhai, next level. But luckily, I've reached a point where I know what not to do. But yeah, a lot of things in the pipeline, a lot of work that is happening that I won't say कि हाँ sign हो गया कुछ ये हो गया, but fingers crossed.
Do you think you've got your due professionally? Sorry to suddenly hit you with that.
नहीं यार पूछते हैं ना कि so which is your best work? The next one. I always say the next one. So that's how I keep going. That's why I'm starting from scratch, and I'm not really shy about that. That maybe the next one will be bigger than this. And industry की एक बात क्या अच्छी है कि that they forget. जो मैंने बताया, कोई भी छोटा मोटा काम, गंदा काम, बुरा भूल जाते हैं. अच्छा क्या किया वो याद रखते हैं. So now I'm glad after doing this, people are just, all the GEC, the big channels are airing my older projects. And they're putting it up on YouTube and their portals again. That see, Karan, we did this for us, did that for us. So I'm happy. So I remember in 2010, I did a short film called Amin, whichever way you want to pronounce. And it won all the festivals across the globe. I won the best actor and the best short film iView Film Festival, New York.
Okay.
I remember.
This was back in 2015? 10.
You must see it. You must ask your viewers to go watch it. And सब उस time बोल रहे थे अरे क्या कर रहा है नहीं. And now it's become one of the things to do it. Like even the mainstream cinema is talking about LGBTQ.
Yeah.
It's an LGBTQ film kind of a film. And I must not be bragging if I say we've got about 50 to 60 awards for that film. And yeah, back in 2010.
And you played a role of?
I was one of the protagonists.
Okay, and the protagonist was belonging to the LGBTQ.
Harry and Andy. Yeah, I was playing one of the queens.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so must watch kind of a film. A 30-minute short film directed by a very talented duo called Rana Deep and Judajit. They were assistant to Prahlad Kakkad. We were doing an ad together, and I remember them approaching me and saying, we would want to do a film with you and this and that. And for a month, they really couldn't tell me the script. I said, what is it about? Then when they told me, it's like, sir, please don't say no. I said, okay, give me a day to decide. Then after a day, I read the script because it was a true story about someone. Harish Iyer was, I think, editor to Stardust. So uske baare mein padha, and then I was like, I would love to be a part of this. And then after reading the script, then I called them and they told me, listen, actually we are approaching you for the other role. Main role, the guy who's queen. Because the other one, it's about two guys. But the other one was and I was pretty heavily built that time. I said, are you sure you want me to play this? He said, yes, sir. We would want to break the stereotype and do that. I said, okay. And then Jitin, another actor, he was a banker that time, new actor. Very good. So he played the man or the other part in it. And
the partner.
Yeah. And I remember because the LGBTQ community is so big and so vast and so generous, the music given for that film was by Jonathan Fessenden, the guy who gave
Ooh.
music to Avatar.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they approached him and they said, yeah, I would love to give music. And he didn't watch the film till he, gave the music. He said, send me a page every day from the script and I will design the music. And he was sent a page and they had edited the film and that the music piece would fit exactly in that edit every time. And, we had some crazy collaborations. So that's how it reached a lot of festivals abroad.
This was also the time that you did a lot of work. You say, when it rains, it pours.
Yeah.
This was also the time you did Pavitra Rishta alongside Sushant.
No, that was about 3 years from then. I was doing a show called Virudh with Smriti Irani. Yeah, that I had done, and which was an ensemble. And Pavitra Rishta happened about 3 years down the line.
2014?
13, yeah.
13, 14. How was it at that time? Trying to focus on so many different projects that you were.
By that time, luckily, when you do TV, you have to focus on that because it's like a daily shoot and
Exactly,
everything.
yeah, it's
and
very different.
the role, again, I had just finished a big film with Ekta, Ragini MMS, and I remember her offering me both the shows. One was Ye Hai Mohabbatein, which was called Custody then, and the other one was Pavitra Rishta. And Pavitra Rishta ka role was pretty exciting because it was a rich person with having bipolar.
Exactly.
Which I don't even know if people understand that, disease or that condition. So I had to do some homework and then, portray that character. And I was very nervous because, it can go either ways. Like, kya kar raha hai? And kya kar raha hai? So luckily it became kya kar raha hai. And, Ankita was very good opposite me.
Yeah.
And that's how I met Sushant because of Ankita. And we had a great bond. And a great show, actually.
You said that you're really pulled towards these kind of roles because it really takes a lot from you as well as a craft, as an actor, to be able to pull those kind of roles off.
No, it puts me on the edge. Sorry, it puts me on the edge and it kind of... I don't know, have you been on a roller coaster? So that butterflies in the stomach, that
Just
when
before
that
it goes down?
Yeah. So that's the feeling I thrive for. That actually happens on stage a lot. But when these kind of roles come and they say, Arey, kaise hoga, kya hoga? Like I remember one role, I did it for Rajan Shahid, the DKP production, the guys who do Anupama. They offered me a role of a Gujarati doctor who's a psychopath and who's killed his wife and refrigerated her. And, he's on a big refrigerator and she's sitting on a rocking chair and he talks to her every now and then. तो पहले तो गुजराती अरे तमें केम छो आते ही कॉमेडी आती है
Exactly.
and then a doctor who looks pleasant, appears pleasant, but when he gets angry, that I brought it to the character. He shakes his ears and then his dialect changes a bit, again Gujarati accent only,
but when he goes into his psycho state.
शुरुआत करे छे हाँ तमें वो हाथ वाथ पकड़ना. So it was a very difficult space to be in, and especially getting the accent and with that accent getting the seriousness. But that was the fun and it really picked up. Channel was very happy. The production house was very happy. I was happy that I could pull it off. So these kind of challenges really excite me.
Then I'm going to come back to mental space, because if you like such characters, then you obviously tap into somewhere in your head to get these thoughts awakened in you, right?
वो है ना, मैं वन लाइनर्स के लिए फेमस हूँ तो बोल देता हूँ कि कुछ ख्वाब झूठे हैं, कुछ ख्वाब झूठे हैं और झूठी हैं ख्वाहिशें भी, लेकिन ज़िंदा रहने के लिए कुछ गलतफहमियाँ भी ज़रूरी हैं. तो ये गलतफहमियाँ पाल के रखता हूँ मैं, तो इसी चक्कर में ज़िंदगी चलती रहती है आगे. एंड कमिंग फ्रॉम अ थिएटर बैकग्राउंड, ये सब मैंने देखा हुआ है कहीं ना कहीं करते हुए. आई हैव सीन पीपल परफॉर्म, आई हैव सीन सीनियर्स. सो फॉर एन एक्टर थिएटर बैकग्राउंड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज तुम बेशक बैक स्टेज हो, बट जस्ट बाय सीइंग you can learn so much. And live, so I see a lot of live plays also. I remember going to New York and seeing a lot of Broadway plays. I saw the first Spider-Man, which was, they had harnesses and he was flying all over.
Yeah.
So
you saw
the first
Broadway Spider-Man?
Broadway Spider-Man, yeah.
Crazy.
I saw the Blumen show. I saw Lion King. I must have seen
Cats.
about Cats, of course. I saw Crazy Girls. I saw The Merchant of Venice. I saw...
Oh, we've studied that.
Yeah. So, yeah, I've seen a lot of plays. और क्या था? I don't remember right now because long time. But I enjoy live shows. I enjoy live performances. Nasir Saab, I really enjoy. He's like a treat. Last I saw was Einstein. He's like a solo act for 1.5, 2 hours. He's on stage alone.
Yeah.
And you're like, wow. Every bit of it is, you're learning something from him. The twitch, the movement, this. बहुत कुछ है.
Would you want to have your own 1.5 hour play where you are the sole person performing?
I would love to. I would love to if there is something designed for me and if I can pull it off and if I can have the audience for it. I would love to do that. But having said that, अब थोड़ा टाइम है ना वहाँ तक पहुँचने में.
आप directorially भी inclined हो?
बहुत ज़्यादा. Music, directorial, dance, performing and get up to make something, to create something. I really enjoy that. Okay, ऐसे, what's the best version of this thing?
There's a lot of love in your heart, love with your craft, love towards your friends. Life में love?
I'm glad you say that. So I'm happy. अब ढूंढ दो आप भी life में love.
Ready हो?
मैं तो हमेशा ready होता हूँ.
शादी करोगे आप?
आपका क्या ख्याल है? आप करना चाहेंगी कुछ?
मैं तो taken हूँ.
Taken तो मैं भी हूँ. For granted. See, all this, देखो अब शादी की बात करते हुए अच्छा नहीं लग रहा बिकॉज लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि ये शादी कर रहा है या बर्थडे का केक काट रहा है हर साल. सो एज सलमान सर सेड, द चॉइस ऑलवेज लाइज विद द गर्ल एंड विद चुम एंड मी राइट नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग अ फ्रेश. वी आर स्टार्टिंग हाउ वी स्टार्टेड इन बिग बॉस. वी आर मीटिंग, वी आर हेलो हाई कैसे हो, बिकॉज दे आर डिफरेंट टास्क, दे आर डिफरेंट नॉमिनेशंस, दे आर डिफरेंट ऑब्स्टिकल्स दैट वील गो थ्रू इन this Big Boss house, which is the
outside
abnormal, which is actually I call it abnormal. That was normal. So यहाँ पे we are taking slow because she also has a past. I have a past. There are opinions here and there. There'll be 100 messages, 100 people saying something. How do we cope with this is going to be our challenge right now.
Absolutely. Is the definition of relevancy changed for you over the years?
Not really, yaar. No, I've just gotten closer to my loved ones and I've started, so I don't call them the army or the fan or the fandom. I've started including them in being a family member because मैं मिल भी ऐसे रहा हूँ लोगों से because they are really, because I've been in their homes for 3.5, 4 months right now.
Of course.
So I'm just getting that love and I'm trying to reciprocate that in the same way. So I'm happy that I'm after 20 years I'm relevant.
24/7 surveillance.
Yeah, total.
I'm not going to say zero. You, of course, do events. You are doing this podcast right now.
I'm on brute. Excuse me.
But that, head over the shoulder, ऐसा feeling नहीं आती थी आपको उस time?
नहीं, तब भी नहीं थी और अब भी नहीं है. Because there's nothing to hide. What I am, I am. So, even in the house, पहले 5, 7, 10 मिनट हुआ होगा कि अरे कैमरा, अच्छा. Oh, when I'm moving, it's moving. And then you forget. And then you live. That's it. वो मेरे को बोला भी जा रहा है अरे अच्छा खेलो. उस गेम को खेलना इज जीना.
Exactly.
उसको तभी जीत सकते हो जब तुम जियो. The minute you plan and you think कि अच्छा ऐसे हुआ था, अच्छा वैसे करना होगा, it's stupidity.
Would you say that luck plays a very important role in your life?
Of course it does. It does. Definitely यार. ये अगर तुम मान लो खुद ही कुछ कर रहे हो ऐसा नहीं है. There is somewhere, I always say my grandmother was a big Colors TV का fan. She used to really enjoy all the Colors का show.
Colors TV is a fan of you.
हाँ, now I'm glad you said that. So, but she never used to watch Khatron. And जब भी देखती थी तो because her favorite character is on that show. That's why she used to watch it and अरे क्यों कर रहा है वो क्यों कर रहा है बोलती थी. तो when I used to sit with her, I said मेरे को ये शो करना है यार. She used to say नहीं ये नहीं करना, बड़ा गंदा है, ये है वो है. तो before I signed Khatron, I think 20 days before she had passed. So somewhere I feel that she went up and she shook God and said, "Isko ye do." And then even in Big Boss, I think she was there and she's like, isko ye do. So somewhere my ancestors, people, my elders who are up there are doing it for me. तो उसको भाग कह लो, आशीर्वाद कह लो, कुछ भी कह लो. I am the same. I have not changed a bit. Of course, I've gotten more humbled. I've gotten more subdued with the whole love. But मेरी मेहनत और मेरा काम, I'm putting it equal amount of energy, love and effort in.
Humility really comes with age, because there are a lot of people who are successful right now at a very young age, especially because of the digital boom. And you more often than not see that pride in them. Is that a good thing to have? Do you have that? Let's talk personally.
यार वो कहते हैं ना कि जितने भी ज्ञानियों के साथ रह लो, जब कोई बेवकूफ़ बनाता है तजुर्बा तभी आता है. सो इट इज़ जस्ट दैट वंस यू are hit a number of times, that's when it's not how hard you can hit, it's how hard you can get hit and still get up. So that's I think works in my favor is I've been hit a lot of times, I've gotten up. कि हाँ ठीक है ये वर्क नहीं किया ना, कोई बात नहीं, next I'll keep working at it.
I think whenever you've gotten hit, you've taken life as a comedy. I see that in your demeanor. Is that true?
I think I'm very thankful to my family for that, especially my mother, because she kept telling me not to take things too seriously. She gave me a very good advice first, that not to buy things I can't afford. Everything that I have right now in Mumbai is all owned by me. I am not on any EMI. So she always said, take this as a hobby. Treat it like, okay, don't pressurize yourself with the profession and this and that. Enjoy it. So I've really enjoyed it.
But that's such an opposite take from what people in this particular industry generally are like. Because it's always about a facade, right? It's always about the managers or people giving that amount of stature, giving that...
I understand, but I've never created that facade that I had to protect. I've always been available.
But hasn't that not helped you? No.
Not really. Where I have to work, I have to work. So उसके अंदर तो कोई manager, कोई agency, कोई वो कुछ नहीं करेगा. Like I wanted to come to Brut, so I came. It's not that कि अच्छा कोई बुला रहा है, कुछ ये है, कुछ वो है. So I've never done that. What I like and where I love being is what I want to do, and I'll do it. It's not that I've created this aura about myself and this will happen, that will happen. No, वैसा कुछ नहीं है.
But ऐसा होता है ना इस industry में.
Whatever works, whatever rocks your boat. For some people it works, but it's all how they say, it's a focaccia. It's just like a cloud. अंदर कुछ नहीं है तो फायदा नहीं है. At the end of it, you have to have a body of work backing it. Otherwise, तुम कुछ भी कर लो, कोई कुत्ता नहीं पूछेगा. Till the time you don't prove it, it won't work for you. And that has to be from your work, nothing else. You can have hundreds of managers, your agencies, your this, that, but if you don't have, your work speaking, nothing will happen.
That's actually words of wisdom, because it's important at this age with the oversaturation of this particular industry that we have and the blurred lines.
कहते हैं ना कि क्यों डरते हो कि जिंदगी में क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा तो तजुर्बा होगा.
Wow.
You'll get an experience, right? Of some things.
You live, you learn, you fail. That's life.
Yeah, totally.
But a lot of people also have a misconception of reality TV actors or soap actors. But in my opinion, you're very well spoken. You have really good words to enunciate or to express yourself with. Not a lot of people have that. How did that come in your life?
I can go back a long way. Both my parents are very well educated. I think my father was from Hindu college, though he got through St. Stephen's, and my mother has done English honors and she's done Hindi mein koi degree. She got through LSR, but she joined IP, Indraprasth University, and she was a teacher in YMCA. So my upbringing and then my hostel life, my teachers, so that kind of is inborn or inculcated in my life, and then 20 years of spending life teaches you a lot of things. So uski wajah se hai, and yeah, that's about it, I think.
Also staying in touch with your mental self and emotions, right?
Kind of. And I also theatre background, usse काफी फर्क पड़ता है, being a sports person, so all that is, you know, I'm everything included. वो बोलता है कि I was seeing a जावेद साहब का कि you know, what is a person, how do you define him? Your legs, ये तो this is my legs, but this is not you. Your hands, but this is not you. Okay, and this is like an onion. Till the time you're peeling the onion, you haven't found the onion, but that peeling is the onion. So all of that is me, I feel, and I'm glad that I got good education. My mom really worked hard for me to get a good education, to be in one of the best schools of the country. I was in Mussoorie in Weinberg Allen. Yeah. And then I came for my 11th, 12th to DPS. Then I was into Delhi University. Then I got into theatre with Barry, Imago. And yeah, and then I kept doing a lot of work on myself. Till before Khatron, I do a workshop for about 3 hours, 2.5, 3 hours with myself, which is a self-grooming.
An acting workshop?
Acting workshop, yeah.
Okay.
Which has a lot to do with voice training. All that. Now I'm a little...
Yeah, as a voiceover artist, I know.
Haan.
There's also something called as...
A lot of it.
Yeah.
You also talk in front of a lit candle. So it
doesn't...
So yeah, so a lot of exercises that you do, that's voice. Then also watching something, reading, like all the poetry that I have and I learn is also part of that workshop. That's how it's all stolen from learned men.
Absolutely. You know, this is the thing about really brilliant people. It seems like, oh, first shot, first take, kya crazy kar diya. But it's a lot of hard work that they put in behind the scenes the whole night. They wake up and, you know, they really work on their craft.
The iceberg. जो दिखता है is just, हाँ, correct.
It's just the tip of the iceberg.
Correct.
एक और लाइन बोल दीजिए फिर, इतना आपको दे दिया.
मैं इस
About life?
About life? Oh, अच्छा. About life, maybe एकदम से you put me on the spot suddenly. But एक मैं कुछ अभी पढ़ के ही आया था किसी की, because I'm reading a lot of
philosophical things.
वसीम साहब is one of my this thing. हर रोज गिर कर भी मुकम्मल खड़े हैं, ऐ जिंदगी मेरे हौसले तुझसे ज़्यादा बड़े हैं.
Wow.
So this is one of the lines that I really enjoy. ऐसे बहुत सारी हैं, तो बहुत सारे writers हैं which I really enjoy, these 1-2 lines which really give you goosebumps and you know you want to live your life accordingly. So these are one of them.
So words really do play a very important role in your life.
Of course.
They stick to you.
They stick and they inspire, and the way they are said. Also, I started doing this reading because of dialogue delivery. How I would deliver a line, what character would take a pause, when, where. Very important.
Interesting.
Yeah. See?
Absolutely. तो बता दीजिए फिर अब रेसिपी एग की. आप हमेशा सुबह उठ के अंडा चावल का कुछ कंकॉक्शन बनाते थे.
हाँ, because bread होता नहीं था. And I have a very stylish way of making fried eggs. I just hold the egg and drop it in the pan.
With the shell?
With the shell. गरम तेल डाले पटाक मारता हूँ उस पर, and I just take out the shell और बन जाता है. I think if you haven't seen it, see it on I'm sure Big Boss के किसी उसमें तो होगा ही, और फरा के एपिसोड में है. I made 3 fried eggs with salamis for her, which was by the way very tasty, which she didn't like at all. But anyways, till the time she gives me a film, I'm not going to make good food for her.
If you give her such food, then she will not make a film.
हाँ, गलती हो गई. मैं अच्छा खाना बनाऊंगा, पक्का फिल्म दे देना आप.
अभी का क्या रूटीन है? In a day in life of Karanveer.
Don't ask.
Please tell.
Right now, I'm just running from one podcast to another meeting to this. I'm living off the suitcase, literally. I'm almost in my, my manager, my friend Daud's car. I'm changing there from one event. इधर अच्छा इसका ही ऐसा. I'm not even home. You'll see my house is filled with. Thank you guys for so many gifts. I really am, humbled, and I don't have words. The kind of gifts that have come in.
क्या मिलता है?
अरे
फूल तो मिलते ही होंगे.
Photo frames, Lars,
What's the strangest thing you've
cutlery. Strangest thing. I've got perfumes, any kind of thing. Caps, clothes, shoes. It's my house.
got? How
is
do they know your address?
There's some agencies जिसके थ्रू है. ये भी है ना पगला जो देता है सबको कि हाँ ये एड्रेस है, ये है. किसी के थ्रू आके it reaches the agency and then it comes home. But I'm and so many letters and I'm reading them all. Though I'm dyslexic, but मैं पूरा बैठ के पढ़ रहा हूँ. So thank you guys. I want to thank all the the fan clubs, the pages, the KVM Nation, the KVM lovers, the
Yeah, you've got a lot of
Karan Ke
Instagram
Viro,
fan
Karan
pages.
Ke Viro. Thank you so much. I would really appreciate the kind of work that they've put in. They've superseded the PR that I had, I believe. But thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And I wish I can entertain you, even more from now.
Okay, I'm going to ask you something entertaining then on that note.
Let's do it. Doing the Big Boss rapid fire. Scared.
Who is the laziest in Big Boss?
Laziest? मेरे हिसाब से तो सभी लेजी थे, बट लेजी इन व्हाट सेंस? रजत था लेजी पूरा. प्री वर्कआउट पी के सो जाता था मेरा. फर्स्ट सी पर्सन आई हैव सीन. एनीबडी विद माय प्री वर्कआउट वुड गेट एक्टिवेटेड. वो पीते ही 2 मिनट सो रहा हूँ. बिकॉज उसने रीज़न भी दिया मुझे. कह रहा है मैं प्री वर्कआउट लेके, मेरा जिम 40 मिनट्स दूर होता था ना, तो मैं गाड़ी में थोड़ा सोता हुआ जाता था प्री वर्कआउट लेके जिम. सो ही इज़ लाइक कि मैं जो सो रहा हूँ ना, मैं एक्चुअली गाड़ी में हूँ, अभी मैं पहुँचूंगा अपने जिम. But a very sweet guy. Really had fun with him.
You guys had a very good camaraderie together as well.
All of us.
Yeah. Okay, full power.
Me.
ठीक है. Drama queen or king, it can be anything. Non-gender specific.
Drama queen. Shilpa. Full drama queen.
No BS.
No BS. Again, it could be me, it could be... who else? No BS. Vivian could be, no bullshitting around. Sirf coffee law.
Sometimes is it that you guys are chill, but there's miscommunication in the families?
I don't give a damn.
Because it's so like,
I don't give a damn. I have the trophy. अब क्या बोलूँ मैं?
ठीक है. Oblivious person.
Oblivious. नहीं यार, everybody was like totally glued to the trophy. इस time पे तो ऐसा था, the batch was like everybody was there to like win it. That's it. I think I would only call Gunratan ji, who had come. Again, he was a powerhouse for 15 days. He didn't want the trophy, but he was also like, he was there.
He was locked in.
He was locked in. Even him, I would not. Even the Ghada in the beginning. मुझे लग रहा था वो भी ऐसे ट्रॉफी को देख रहा है. तो कोई नहीं था oblivious तो.
The realist.
The realist. I think Arfin. Arfin. जाते हुए भी बोल रहा था, I haven't still played my trump card, but I've been evicted. I was like, why didn't you play your card?
The fake one.
The fake one. But in the beginning, Avinash tha thoda, but then he kind of got back. In the beginning, he tried to be someone else and tried to be, tried to play Big Boss, which you never do.
How long can you keep?
Correct. So then he realized it very soon, and then he became the fun that he is, and really enjoyed his fighting with him or having arguments with him, because it was the real him then.
वैसे तो you're the winner, but your fiercest competitor.
I don't know. People were scared outside, but मैं तो from the very beginning I was very clear. And see, it's a personality show. Even if I came second or third, doesn't mean that I'm any less, right? It's a show at the end of it. Some characters resonate with the audience, some don't. My personality will still remain the same. Like I would tell Vivian and Rajat, that's the way they are. Maybe a different show, audience will like them more, right? Then you go to you do a fiction show at times. From more than the leads, a Nanad is preferred, or a Sasur is preferred, or a Vamp is preferred. Like Kamolika was a hit, this thing. doesn't change anything. As a, it's a reality show. I'm just glad I got the trophy. But agar my second or third aata, it doesn't make me less of a person. So I don't think they're feeling any less.
Yeah.
Also, yeah.
आपने चुमका नाम नहीं लिया.
चुमका
वो
नाम
कौन है?
किस में लूँ?
अब तो खत्म हो गया, तो आप बताओ.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ. She was one person I really looked up to. She made me into a better human being. And I always said that I would love to walk the stage with her as top 2. और मुझे कम बुरा feel होगा if she won it. Because she deserved it out and out, I felt.
Flip side, okay. If not this life, you can go wild with this. Where would you be in your life?
Nowhere. I always say that, in fact, I would live my life exactly the same way.
Again.
I would not miss a thing, because I always say that I don't make mistakes. It's the mistakes that have made me. The reason that I'm sitting here right now with you at Brut, Mehul, is all the mistakes that I did. So I'm so glad to have this life. I'm so glad to have had, call it struggle, call it, a grueling period that I had. I'm so glad. I would love it. I would want to go back and do it over and over again.
Nice. It's the first of its kind.
Totally.
फेवरेट गाना बता दीजिए.
इतने सारे हैं
अभी
यार.
का.
अभी का तो मेरा
अच्छा,
ही
टॉप 3 बता दीजिए.
मेरा ही गाना है ना, कहना गलत गलत.
अरे.
By the way
Nice
Jyoti
line.
ji has sung it is crazy.
Yeah.
And I love that. I'm still listening to that on loop. And the second song is also mine, sung by Divine Flow kuch hai.
Yes.
Divine Flow State. The Karanveer Mehra show. So I'm listening all the songs on loop which are
That
about
is also
me.
another movement, man.
Totally.
Karanveer Mehra show.
I love it. Thank you so much. I would say to all the fan clubs, and Farah ma'am came and actually told all of us, and the song that was made on it. तो बहुत सही लगा मुझे. Thank you. Thanks.
You don't listen to English music?
यार I'm an old school guy, so MLTR वो सब,
अच्छा, 80s kid ना.
I'm an 80s kid, so Summer of 69 and
Ice
Hotel
Cube.
California, हाँ वो सब जो हॉस्टल में जो सब करा हुआ है. अदरवाइज अभी जो 105 दिन रह के आए हैं तो पूरा भूल चुका हूँ मैं सब, क्या है नाम कौन सा. अच्छा ये गाना सुना हुआ है. All that is happening. I'm forgetting names.
आपका ब्रेन रॉट हो रहा है. बिग बॉस ब्रेन रॉट.
ऐसा हो रहा है. सो अभी थोड़ा सा कोलैबोरेट करने में टाइम लगेगा वापस आने में मेरे को.
What is the first thing that you wanted to do when you got out though? Of Big Boss. ऐसे कुछ होता है ना कि this is something I want to do.
Drink?
Oh, नहीं, you didn't drink?
No.
For 105 days, they don't even let you drink.
No.
That's why people fight there so much.
That's what. What do you think? I didn't get a little I drink, but I'm so glad that Salman
Delhi
sir
se
offered the
okay.
minute I came out, like let's do it. So we were cheering and ऐसे cross हाथ करके पी रहे थे.
Tell us the story.
So Salman sir has a chalet there right outside the set, and we were all invited. So by the time I finished my interviews and the whole the media frenzy, I think it was 4:30 in the morning. That's when I had my first drink after 4 months, and I'm so glad that I could do cheers with Salman sir, and I gulped about 6 drinks. And then I realized कि मैं जिससे पहले खुद ही को सलमान समझने लगूं. Okay sir, it's time to leave. But what a man. He's one person I really look up to. Though मेरी अच्छी खासी खींची गई थी शो में, but that's his job, and I think he made me stronger.
हाँ, वो उन्हीं की ज़्यादा खींचते हैं जिनसे उनको पोटेंशियल मिलती है और प्यार में.
Correct. I realized that, and I was, even while it was happening, I was realizing it, and I'm just happy and glad that I did not irk him in the wrong way. I kept my I just made sure that I shouldn't be disrespectful towards the makers or the host or anybody who was coming to give me advice. Though I was getting very edgy कि यार क्यों मुझे बोल रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, but I'm glad that I handled it well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
for being
Mehul.
so brute, raw, real.
Thank you.
And good luck, Karanveer.
Thank you so much for having me on Brut.
Okay, that's a wrap.